Everyone, welcome to the new video of this Scratch tutorials. So today we are going to look forward to how to make an account in Scratch. Why is it necessary? Because in the account, whether you all do the work and it gets saved. Otherwise, if you do any work on Scratch, you may download it the file, but if there are chances that the files may get corrected. Uh, the files won't open again, so it's always a better choice to make an account first and then do the work. So without wasting the time, we're going to the Scratch website. So this is the first window that you see before doing anything. So there's an option called Join Scratch. When you click on the Join Scratch option, uh, you will see a new window that opens up, and then it requires some details like the username, password, and the uh, again you have to retype the password. So I'll just give a dummy username. So uh, let us also give a dummy password. So you have to give a dummy password, and you have to give your own details. Like I have already an account, so I won't be giving the details again, but you can give the details again and again. Okay, so you click on the next button. The internet it's slow a bit today, but it will still work. Okay, so it's saying that okay, it should be 6 letters long. So I'll just make the adjustment. Password is too easy to guess again. Okay, so I'll just add this thing over here. So this might work. Okay, so you have to follow the instructions given by. So then you have to select a country. So my country is Pakistan. I'll select my country, and then you have to. Okay, so you can select your own, or you can select a date that's beyond that. That's up to you. Then you click on the next button. Then you choose your gender, obviously male, and then you put the email. Now this email can be your parents or your own school email, depends upon you. So let us I give an email of myself. So I won't be writing my whole email because this video is going to be a public video. After this, you have to just click on create an account. All the credentials should you should take notes of the credentials you are putting in so that you don't forget. Remember, don't forget the details later on. So after that, you just need to click on the create your account, and that account will be created. So this was pretty much it from the first video. See you in the next one.